Hello CW second graders. This will be a combined video with 2 pages. The first one will be 275, 276, 277, and 278 will be the second one. The first one is this. You will do this. And on the back, you have a big red X. You do not have to do that, but you do have to answer the problems on the top. So do that. And then we're going to go over 277 and 278. Let's look at this first problem. We're going to subtract. Can we take 5 from 1? No. So we have to go to the 5, make it a 4, and make the 1 a what? An 11. What is 11 minus 5? 6. 4 minus 0 is 4, and 6 minus 6 is 0. And that's the answer to that. Can we take 9 from 2? No. We have to borrow from the 2, make it a 1. Make the 2 a 12. 12 minus 9 is 3. We cannot take 5 from 1, so we have to borrow again from the 8 and make the 1 an 11. 11 minus 5 is 6, and then 7 minus 5 is 2, and the answer is 263. Now we're going to look at this problem. We have to first add these two, and then we'll get an answer, and then we'll add this one, and then we'll add this one. 7 plus 8 is 15, plus 2 is 17, plus 3 is 20. Bring down your 0, carry your 2. This is the first time we've had to carry a 2. We usually carry 1s. But this time, the answer is 20, so you bring down your 0, carry your 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. And 15 plus 4 is 19. You just bring down the 19. And the answer is 190. Now, we are going to start something totally different that we have not done before, and it is called rounding numbers to tens. Okay, if I say the number 20, what does it have in the ones place? It has a 0. If I say the number 50, it has a 0 in the ones place. If I say the number 43, it has a 3 in the ones place. So remember that when a number is rounded to the tens place, it has a 0 in the ones place. Listen to this story problem. Last night, Aunt Julie made 27 cookies. She did not make exactly 30 cookies, but 30 is the nearest 10 to 27. So we can say she made about 30 cookies. The number 30 is a rounded number because it has a 0 in the ones place. So let's look. We have this little number line. We have a 30. And we have a 20. And we're going to do 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Now, we said she made 27. If we draw the midway line here, she made 27. Is it closer to 20 or is it closer to 30? It is closer to 30. Let's do another problem. Angie also helped Grandma bake 38 peanut butter cookies last Sunday. Now, let's look. We have 38. When we're counting by tens, what comes before 38 would be 20 and, no, sorry. 30 and 40. Now, we're just going to write the ones here. Remember, we're drawing the line here, and we said she made 38. What is 38 rounded to the nearest 10? Here's the 8, so we'll say it's 38. What's it closer to? Is it closer to 30 or is it closer to 40? It is closer to 40, so 38 rounds to 40. All right, let's look at another one. Angie decorated 43 sugar cookies. So we have to think, what is 43 between when we're counting by tens? 43, hint, hint, the first one's going to be 40. What comes after 40 when you're counting by tens? 50. Now, 43 would be right here. Which is it closer to, 40 or 50? It is closer to 40, so 43 rounds to 40. Now, on your paper, on the back, it is showing you numbers rounded to the tens place have a 0 in the ones place, and they have a whole row. And it says in section 1, mark the bubble under the numbers that are rounded to the tens place. So only the numbers that you mark will have a 0 at the end in the ones place. Will 17 be marked? No. How about 20? Yes, because it has a 0 in the ones place, and go on so forth. Now, we will skip section 2 and 3, and then you will do the word problems, and you have to label it. If it's asking for how many hours, you're going to put the word hours where label is. You're going to put the combination, the answer, and then put hours for label. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Work hard. Concentrate on your work. Do your best. Write your neatest numbers, and make sure your numbers are all the same, going the correct way. And please write your numbers neatly so I can read it. If I can't read it, I'm going to take off, and this is very important. This will be part of your grade for while we're not in school. This is how I'm using to grade these. So please take your time, do your best, and I'll see you on the next video.